Hey Jelly Babes, welcome back to my channel. So I haven't done advanced stamping like this in such a long time, so I thought I would create this beautiful rainbow mandala nail design, and so I'm going to be taking you through the steps with that in case you're unsure about how to advance stamp. And then I'm also going to be showing you how you can dry stamp as well, which was such an awesome thing when I found it out. It just made the advanced stamping part side of things so much more easier. So I'm using this Uberchic plate, and I'm just going to be picking up this mandala image right here. So for dry stamping, these are some of the products that you could use. So this is a new product from Shemodern. So this is like a gel polish which you would cure in the lamp, and then you've got a transfer foil glue as well. So basically there's pros and cons for both. The Shemodern obviously is a bit more pricier at $18 a bottle, but you can use it for a base and top coat as well, and it is curable, and you're not going to get any of the glue separating from the nail surface, which you can get with the transfer foil glue. So with this you would apply it like normal, and then just let it air dry for like a couple of minutes. And you can get this off eBay for about £5, so it's cheaper, but you can come up with more issues using the transfer foil glue. It just very much is down to your preference. So this is the advanced stamping. So I'm just going to be using stamping polishes, and I'm using my Natasha sort of striper and detail brushes to fill this in. So you just want to take your time, try your best to keep it obviously in the lines so you get a much neater finish. So normally, you know, you would skip through most of this and like show a few colours and then like this is the end result. But obviously because this is a how-to, I am just going to be showing you pretty much, you know, step by step on how the colours that I used and how I applied them. So, dependent on kind of like how long you've been doing nail art, I'm using like a nail brush, and you know, for most part I find that easier, but you might find it easier using a dotting tool, and that's totally fine. But obviously for the finer images you might want to use like a detail brush. So I really wanted this to be really bright and colourful, and you know, this is going to be gorgeous obviously for summertime or any time of year if you're just a bright mani person anyway. So you'll see here a change from the striping tool to the dotting tool. So I'm just going to be quiet now and just let you enjoy me filling in this beautiful stamped image, and I'll come back later on in the video. So I hope you enjoyed that. So while that is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and do the other nail. So these are Chameleon glitter products, and this is their neon powders. You just want to apply this to your gel polish, because gel polishes do provide a tacky layer, and that's what this powder is sticking to. So basically I'm going to be going for a gradient look. So I've just like rubbed that into the nail and got it all flat, and then you want to remove any of the excess brush before you go in with your next colour, which is going to be the orange. And then you just want to go over that line. You just, help blending it out and making it less obvious, for that gradient look. But I love Chameleon glitter products. As you can see, this is super good quality and super bright and well pigmented as well. So you want to go ahead and apply a top coat. So I applied a glossy top coat first, and then I went in with a matte top coat. And then changed my mind last second. So I went for this Stamping sort of slogan here, which is Radiate Hope. And then I used this image here because obviously the flower was in the the bigger image that I used. So I used white because I just really wanted it to pop. And then I came in with the gold stamping polish that I used before and just filled in the center of that flower, just to add that little bit of sparkle. It's so pretty. Now for the dry stamping, obviously whichever method you've used, it's totally dry now, and you want to press down once you've lined it up. It was a little bit difficult to see whether I lined it up properly. And yeah, just apply pressure, move the stamper around so you can see that the decal's like, going and, folding in underneath. And then just carefully pull it away. So this is the Shemodern one, by the way, as well, and you can see that that has transferred absolutely perfectly. So this is far less faffier than using a decal making method where you'd have to put like top coat over the image and peel it off, and yeah, sometimes it wouldn't be dry and you would peel and stretch the image, whereas dry stamping gets rid of all of that. And then all you need to do is get rid of the excess. Obviously I'm using scissors and cutting right up the nail, which you probably wouldn't be able to do, but use a cuticle pusher and just push in around the nail, and the excess will just sort of peel off. And then you can come in with acetone and a cleanup brush just to clean it all off around your nail. So I absolutely love the dry stamping method, and you can even do it with full decal, as you've seen here today. So yeah, will always be using this method. So I really hope that this video can help you out too. I hope you like the design that I created also. So thank you so much for watching. Please press that free subscribe button, and take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.